Excuse me, Cruella. So, I know that you've had a good morning roaming around the room, and you're clearly trying to communicate to me that you are done roaming and you're ready to rest, and that's nice. And I see that you've taken care of yourself. However, you're you're in the wrong enclosure. This isn't your enclosure. See, this is Shere Khan's enclosure. Yeah. And I get it. It's kind of dried out since the doors have just been open for a while. So I get how you felt this was, an appropriate place for you. However, this is not your enclosure. I'm going to have to remove you. I'm gonna have to just disturb your rest, and I apologize. But it's not your. Don't look at me like that. It's not my fault that you chose to come in here. It's not your enclosure. I'm going to have to remove you. I know you're not going to appreciate that, but it's gonna happen, okay? Are you okay with that? 'Cause it's too bad if you're not. 'Cause this is Shere Khan's home. So, okay? Okay.